steak de cerdo.
We just got to Santa Marta. Yeah. It's good. Okay.
Yeah?
Yeah.
It's the cheapest place we found.
Yeah, everything's so expensive. This was like 230 pesos, right? Everything else was like, for like main plates were 500 at least.
Yeah.
700. Okay, we just had lunch at the state restaurant and oh, he's doing something to the menu.
Is it this one or that one?
I don't know. You want to sit down or you want to order from outside? You have to go, huh?
Oh, they only have strawberry flavor. Oh, look, a donut. What?
Where?
She's holding a donut. Over there.
Oh, over there. Oh.
You want to go see what they have over there?
Oh my god, I've never seen so much pastries before.
Alright.
Ah, my life. Oh my god. Look at the amount of people over here.
It's hard to get.
No, it's so good.
What?
Oh my god. Right? And it's like batidos, like the chocolate thingy, right? But it tastes coffee-ish too. I like it. Okay, what do you want to try first?
It's a guayaba pie, right?
Okay. What the hell?
We're gonna see which one is the favorite one.
It's like salty, crispy. That's what, by the queso? How is it?
It tastes like that cheese.
No.
That one cheese. Right?
Yeah. The cheese is,
That cheese what?
It's like very cottage cheese, like it's not like a normal cheesecake.
Oh, it's filled with some cream.
It's not bad. You like that? This is good. This donut is good.
Oh, this dough is very soft.
This is very good.
Right, rank 1, 2, 3, and 4.
Okay, one would be, oh crap, the donut. 1, 2, 3, 4. You?
1, 2, 3, and 4.
And those conos.
Eh?
Sin limonada. Okay. Yes. Oh, it's a naranja piña. Tastes very, I don't know, refreshing. Very creamy.
Whoa, wow, you eat worse than a 5-year-old. What's wrong with your cone?
It's not my fault. Why isn't yours ripping?
It's all over your lips. Wow, that's so funny.
What do you
I
think?
don't know.
I think Guadalajara.
I think so too.
This is not that nice. There's too many seaweed.
Let's go more.
This is just like,
Yeah, I don't know. I think it also depends on the time of the year you come with. If you see the sand, it looks like the sea is kind of like rougher than in the summer. I think in the summer it's like more hurricane season, so I think maybe the ocean is more. I don't know. I remember it being calm.
Maybe it's just today.
I don't know.
In Guadalajara it was calm.
It was very calm. Wow.
Okay, these are the prices. So you see, you would think it's very cheap. Just 3,432 a night. And then you would think, oh, it's 120 pesos per dollar. So it's going to be maybe about like $28, right? A night. But no, the exchange rate at the hotel is 24 pesos for the dollar. So it turned out to be like, how much? 140 something?
134?
I don't know. Yeah, that was crazy.
That is crazy.
And then for like a hotel that looks like this, I know it's 5 stars, but doesn't look like an apartment.
Yeah.
It's not just this hotel, it's for all the hotels here. Okay, the cheapest lobster plate we had so far.
Yeah.
At 290 pesos.
Like lobster enchilada?
How is it? Good or?
It's good.
Tomatoey.
Too tomatoey?
No.
¿Ya?
Yeah.
¿Así?
Y deja poquito al final y poner adentro. Ok. Y
Hecha.
wow.
¿Lo hice?
Se ve muy bonito, ¿no?
Sí.
Y si tienes una copita, le ponen allá dentro de la copa.
Gracias.
Okay, so we got a frappuccino with
2 shots of espresso. Oh, wow.
Okay, it's very strong and creamy,
It's very strong.
but chocolatey too. Oh, it's melting. Oh, gracias.
That's good.
We have 3 flavors, right? Leche, the strawberries below, and then I guess the coconut's way below. Wow, do you catch this fish?
Hell no, I'm gonna catch a lobster.
Yeah, we're gonna try to catch a lobster. It's amazing.
I would totally buy this and restore it and then
Turn into what?
turn into a adults only hotel.
Says lai. Oh, it says no pase.
We still haven't been able to find real
Real.
food here.
We did eat chop suey in Havana.
Dang.
The water seems like it's moving fast.
It's calmer now.
Really?
The waves are calmer, but it seems like there's a current. Oh man, it's crumbling.
Oh.
That's why. Oh wow, it's about to give out to the left. You see that?
Hey.
Or what's it? Oh, that guy's bad. You saw how he dropped?
Yeah.
It's nicer today.
Okay, that's beautiful today.
Walk on the water.
Okay, looks way nicer today. Look at what's that? Oh, okay, nothing. I thought it was a crab.
Wow, someone's hungry.
Wow. Is it cold?
No, it's just good. It's so clear. Look at this. Wow.
Okay, we are back at the state restaurant for the 4th time.
4th time, wow.
We have ajiaco, which is like a soup, right? Oh, it's super good. See?
Oh,
Right?
wow.
And then we have harina de maíz. At first we thought it was like just flour, but then it's like
Yeah, it
thick.
looks like, reminds me of...
tamale. No? It looks like cornmeal.
Oh, grits.
Oh, it's like grits?
Oh, it's really good.
Oh.
Okay, it's going to be very filling. Wow.
They're both so good. I think this one's like 8 pesos and that's like 7 pesos.
9, no?
Okay, he's having this steak again, the steak de cerdo, and I'm having like fried fish again. Okay.